Welcome back to All American Motors. Today, guys, we're installing a computer on the 89 F250. Stay tuned, watch the end of the video. We might do something fun and crazy. I don't even know yet. Let's see if we can install this computer even. On my truck, I had to take out this fender, inner fender. Let's see if we don't have to do that. Drop down in here, computer. Go down, computer. Alrighty. Going down. Going down. Let's look at our connector, see which way. Oh, I got it backwards. Try not to scratch my arms up too bad. See if we can slide it in this hole before we get our wire connector on. 60-pin terminal with a 10mm bolt in the middle of it. Of course, we're going to have some difficulties. You know what? I wonder if you can put this in from in the cab. I don't think you can. Oh, you might be able to. Yeah, let's see if we can do that. That's maybe how we did it. That's not how mine works, but this one might just work. Fine for now. Let's try to get this wire pinned back in. Yeah, that's why it's a little bit different than mine. Mine, you had to take out that fender, loosen up that fender at least. Alright, let's install it. Start installing that bolt. Well, you expect that. Where's my 10mm? Always got to lose a 10mm. Except for me, it's in the pocket. Good thinking. Check your pockets first when you lose something, or your head if it's your sunglasses. Alright. Enough with the tips, let's just get this screwing in here. Screwing in a 60-pin wire connector for a computer. I didn't look to see if that computer had anything bad inside it. Mine had 2 out of 3 bad capacitors, I think that's what they're called, on the circuit board. We had to take those out and resolder them. Hopefully we did a good job. If not, that might explain my check engine light on my 92. Let's see, long threads. Let's see if this will tighten up anytime soon. Yeah. It's tight. Alright. Let's see if we can crank it up. Let's grab some jumper cables to the Ford. Is that we're missing some fuses. See if we can find a fuse panel. Here we go, baby. Alright. Let's see what the most important fuses are. Might not need a video of this, but I'm just going to try to find some fuses. Then we'll see if we can crank it over. I might need some help. Should I hook up the truck to it? Let's see if I can hook up the truck. I know I had the truck cranking without the computer, but the other night it wouldn't crank again, and I was like, oh, duh, I don't have the computer in. Always hook up the dead truck? No, hook up the living truck. Duh. power. Get around. Time to go in the cabin and see what we get. See if I have that old screwdriver. And of course that starting fluid. Oh, I took home the old screwdriver. But we do have some heavy duty extra strength starting fluid. We might need a screwdriver to... What do y'all think? Do you want to show them something funny? Might have already showed them, but... Oh, I don't see any power. Oh, that light should turn on in just a second. But we need to make sure we have power. We have power. Oh. No? Check to see if that light's gonna turn on.
I don't think so.
Is it on?
No.
See if we have power. I might have turned it off. On switch. Haha, we have a real service truck now. We'll figure out a few other things later. Y'all want to see something? Listen to that engine closely. Lost all power. Well, we'll get some more power. We need some power. Stay power. Oh! Don't mind the old tower starter. This has got a handy dandy starting mode. Oh, that's why my power cord ain't plugged in. Let's do a turnover again. Like I say, we've got some special fluid. What? What? Alright. Alright. We'll do two things. We'll check for spark and give it some fuel. If I can find... Oh, never mind, I'll grab my screwdriver. Not any good flyheads. Here, we've got a couple. Just gonna get a good spot to get some starter fluid. Yeah, we'll just take one of those. Alright. Spray some good amount in there. See what she'll do. Get ready. If it starts, I might drive away. You never know. Oh! This is running! flying truck. It's hard to hear me right now. We're about to go for a ride. We need to find a battery though. Maybe I should step back here. Maybe I should step back on the dump truck. Oh, there's gnats over here. I don't know what that loud induction noise is. That thing sounds like a turbo. Sounds like sucking in air from somewhere. But that exhaust is so noisy. It is welded. I think it's welded straight for frame. It's like blah, 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 blah.
Oh, is that why it's so loud?
It might have some.
We can't really hear you. You're too far away to hear.
Hey, I'm gonna drive it around. 4 of the cylinders. It's running on 4 cylinders right now.
Why? Spark plug wire?
4 of the injector cleaner injectors are cut off.
Cut off?
That thing started on the first try after I put it in Ethernet and after I put fuel starter in it. It was ready to fire.
That's crazy.
Hopefully I don't do too much damage. If I do, well, we'll be in for a new motor. We can do it whistle diesel. Oh, never mind, not whistle diesel style. But I'm gonna finish bolting back on that tire because I have it off and I'm talking really loud. Mark, run down and get some ear protection.
Okay.
We get some ear mats and that battery. Some new ones. We all need ear protection and eye protection. We're gonna go for a night drive. I don't know how far we'll go, but let's get some ear protection really quick and get back with y'all after we bolt this tire on. That seat isn't in the truck.
Bolt it up real quick.
Grab that seat. Do you want to carry that seat up with me?
Yeah.
It's not that heavy. Just slide it in real quick.
Bolt it up quick.
Don't tell anyone. We'll take all the family on a ride. A work ride, a YouTube ride. We're going on a ride. Right here, let's go. I'm trying to think of what else I need to do, but I'm putting in this battery. Oh, battery seat. Let's go drive it, I think.
Are we gonna go drive it? Are we gonna go drive it?
You see how hot that exhaust is getting?
Oh yeah. That's nice.
I want to shut it off.
Josiah, we should turn it off.
What?
We should turn it off.
Watch it.
Josiah, you know why it's doing that? Because it's only running that side of the engine.
I know. I'm calling your license.
Okay. Oh, that's hot. It's hot. There, I got those lights turned on. Ooh, that's really hot. Sorry it's so loud. Hopefully y'all guys can hear me. But man. Oh yeah, it's puttering out of there. I'm gonna go check the other side. Yeah, it's real. Oh, it's coming hot out there. The other side, I don't think the cylinders are working on it at all. I think Yeah, this is just pumping out hot air. The other one's pumping out actual exhaust. What do you think?
Alright, everyone, got the ear protection on. That's it. It's only running on 4 cylinders. It's hard for me to talk. It's burning excess of fuel. We don't want to score the cylinders if we can save this motor. Let's turn it off. Yeah.
I showed them around already. You gotta wait a little bit, don't you?
Should I try it again?
I don't know. You gotta push in the clutch, right? Is that what it did the first time?
It does that without anything. Let's leave it.
Okay.
Alright guys, thanks for watching that startup. Hopefully y'all got as much entertainment out of it as I did. I'm so glad to hear this motor run that I originally thought was bad. Now we're gonna do something for y'all. We are gonna do a video. Another video. Thanks for watching guys. Please subscribe, comment down below. Any questions, comments, or concerns you have. This thing was only running on 4 cylinders because 4 of the fuel injector wires were cut off. So I could see one side was really hot, burning a lot of excess fuel. I did not want to score the cylinders because they were not lubricated with fuel and that good stop barking stuff. So
and also only this tailpipe wasn't actually shooting out exhaust, it was just heated air, and the other tailpipe was definitely exhaust and really hot.
Yeah,
so
it was burning too much fuel on that side.
right, because this side I don't think was burning any fuel.
So, alright, thanks for watching.
That's
it.